Hello Hookloopers, I'm Sarah and I welcome you back with a new Tunisian stitch for my Tunisian Stitches collection. Today it's the Tunisian Twisted Knit Stitch. This stitch is worked from a chain in any number of stitches and is extremely easy to learn and very practical too. So let's begin. As usual, I have started with a standard foundation row in Tunisian crochet, which counts as row number 1. I will leave a link to this basic technique in my description, and you will also find it if you click on the small eye in the top right hand corner of this video. So, Tunisian knit stitch. We already know to create the Tunisian knit stitch, we need to go with our hook between the front and back bar of our stitches. So here, from right to left, you need to insert the hook in the space here. For the twisted knit stitch, you will go with the hook from left to right and grab the front vertical bar, bring it slightly to the right and insert the hook in the space just created between front and back bar. Yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through and up on the hook. I repeat. With your hook, grab the front vertical bar from right to left and insert the hook in between the front and back bar. Yarn over, pull through and up on the hook. Again, grab the front vertical bar from left to right and insert it in between. Pull through and up on the hook. Okay, so again, see this small hole here? Insert the hook in it, grab the yarn, pull through and up on the hook. So very simple, as you see. What changes is only the way I grab my yarn. Okay. Oops. Again. Second to last stitch of this forward pass. Okay, now in my last stitch, which is also the border stitch, I will work as always a neat closing stitch. Chain 1, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops together and proceed with a standard return pass for Tunisian crochet. Okay, so in row number 3 we will just repeat what we have learned so far. So this is very easy. You can work it as long as you need, and it's always done the same way. You just grab the yarn in a different way, okay, from left to right and so on. Okay, so there is another way for obtaining a twisted knit stitch. That is to say, I can choose to twist my stitch in the opposite direction. So in order to do so, I need to go with my hook to the back of my stitch. So I need to insert it here in the space. Go at the back of my stitch, grab the back vertical bar from left to right, like this. Then I go with my hook over the front vertical bar, insert the hook in the next space, yarn over, pull through and up on the hook. Again, I'll show you. I go with my hook to the back of my stitch, grab the back vertical bar from left to right, like this. Then I go with my hook and insert it in the next space between stitches, yarn over, grab the yarn, and pull through and up on the hook. So this is the same thing, but as you see, the result is that the stitches are turned towards left, while with the first method I've shown you, the stitches are turned towards right. So this is all very easy, as you see, and the result is this one. Okay, you see, as simple as the Tunisian knit stitch and pretty similar in texture, but you see the difference. This is slightly ripped, you see? Just imagine how useful it could be for sleeves cuffs, for example, because while the regular knit stitch produces a texture that is absolutely flat, this twisted knit stitch produces a kind of relief in the texture and a kind of ribbing. Interesting idea, right? Thank you for watching and see you next time with another beautiful stitch in Tunisian crochet. Bye bye.